Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. Now, in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this Kanyewest drum kit, Kanyewest 2021 drum kit, and also a sample pack. This is a great sample pack and drum kits. If I'm honest, it's really nice. I really put in some time into this, some work, but no games, man. So before we actually go further, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, without no further ado, let's jump straight into this video. So what I'm going to do first, as usual, I'm going to play you the free beat for profit, the one that I actually, made using this drum kit. So to show you that actually, this drum kit is fire. So everything has actually been processed nicely, All you gotta do, man, is just, balance a little bit and you have, great sound coming up. So unless you feel like you actually want to do something further, it's up to you. It depends on what you hear and, your taste. So actually, I forgot to mention, before we actually go further, I'd like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you need any of that, just hit me up on my email, and we can talk business. We'll get right to the business. Alright, so let's jump straight to it. So I'm gonna play the beat first. Believers Radio. So yeah, man, that's it for the beat. It's a crazy ass beat, bro. So what's gonna happen is that once you actually download the drum kit, the beat will be wrapped up inside the drum kit. So you gotta worry about that. So once you actually download the drum kit, you'll be in a position to get the free beat for profit. All right, so without no further ado, let's jump straight into the the drum kit. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna play you the midis, cause there's midis in here, there's kicks, there's hi hats, there's cymbals, there's bass, there's 808s, there's percussion, and there's snares. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna play you the midi. So I'm gonna play you the first midi, which is 85 BPM. So let me just change that 85 BPM just right here. So, and today we're using Nixes, so I'm changing things up a little bit. So let's start with the first complex feel. Sorry about that. Second, distant memory. Sorry, this is 128 BPM. Alright. Got tested 120 BPM as well. Alright, the next 87 BPM. So let me change that BPM to 87. Alright. Alright, so yeah, that's it for the midis. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna play you the 808s going down like that. So I'm gonna start with the first 808. Lift off. I'll play the bass. Cymbals. Hi-hats. Alright, the kicks. Alright, percussion. Alright, snares. So yeah, man, that's it for the drum kit. It's a crazy ass drum kit, if I'm honest. This is really this is a really nice pad. So all you gotta do, man, is just balance it, and you'll be good. So without no further ado, I don't wanna waste your time. Let me just let you go ahead and play around with this thing, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye.